RKLB stock, Rocket Lab USA Inc., currently up 29.56% in this session of the 9th of September 2021, trading at $19.55. 183.3 million shares have crossed the tape, which is close to 10% of its float. And you can see here it's a 52-week high event was reached. Yes, price reached a new 52-week high of 19.63. This exceeds the previous high of 16.46 by $3.17. So it has actually pulled back from that 52-week high. So we can see what's going on here. Yes, there's a news out there. The news is that the Rocket Lab USA is hired by Kineis to deploy satellite constellation. This is yesterday, Wednesday, the 8th of September. Rocket Lab announced that Kineis, a provider of global Internet of Things connectivity, was to deploy 25 constellation satellites across 5 dedicated Electron missions. The first launch is scheduled for Q2 2023. The multi-launch contract is subject to standard termination and launch rescheduling provisions. Okay, so that is what is behind this extension we're looking at right now. And RKLB stock, it has not been trading for a very long time, so the momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period Slow Stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. The last 10 days have seen significant volume in RKLB stock, with average daily volume above average for the last year. Today's volume is no exception, with 18.284 million shares having been traded already. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Volatility is not so high at 61.86. So going by the volumes, we can see that maybe this is just early in the session. We'll see whether the volumes will at least approach at least 50% of its entire float, but right now it is just about 10%. But even though it is above average volume, but it is based on what the 10-day average volume is saying. The 10-day average volume is about 5.491. So but all in all, still has a lot of room to go, I believe, even though it is strongly bullish, trading at a huge premium to all of its short and intermediate moving averages. So even though it looks like it has some more room to go based on its volume, at the same time as well, it's also highly risky, because it has run up this extension, and nobody knows where it's going to pull back or not. There's every chance, every likelihood that it will do so. So just be careful, know what you're doing with Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock, RKLB, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.